The launching and the landing of a kite are the two aspects that I'd actually like to address. The problem is a lot of people I see do it actually wrong. Before we put the kite in the sky, we need to address the connecting of your lines. Which line connects to which side of your center lines will actually determine which way your kite will fall when you pull your safety. And if you're in the water, you want the kite to pull you back towards the shore, because if it pulls to the left, it can have you pulling away from the shore, which can actually make for a nasty situation. So what you want to do is take the line, which is your safety line, which is this line over here. That's connected to the line that runs up, which your kite will eventually end up. And on the end of the tag, snip it, so that when you're attaching your lines, you can easily see which your safety line is. So that one over there with a little twist in it. When connecting your lines on the beach, you're always going to be facing your kite into the wind. So what you want to do is then connect to the safety line onto the side that is closest to the sea. Or if you're in the lagoon, it's going to be the side that's closest to the water, so the danger side. This will ensure that your kite will then turn and then help pull you back towards the shore. It can be a massive help this when swimming against the wind, because instead of the kite... So it gets confusing as to which line you connect where, but all you need to remember is that your safety line, the line that you've clipped, connects onto the side that you don't want to go. So it's going to always connect on the seaward side if you're kiting in the sea. So it's going to kite on that one there. The other thing we got to also work out here, guys, is that generally we've been teaching you guys to run your lines downwind, but now it's actually better because everyone else runs their lines on to the side, so they run it towards the sea. We want you to do the same. When you come back, you want to lay your kites down with your starboard closest to the kite, and then work from number one, then do your safety line. That will also make sure that your safety goes the right way, and lastly your port. As long as you're getting your correct color to the correct color, you won't have any issues. The reason why we tell you to run your lines sideways is because you see all the debris on the beach. Now we've cleared this patch over here so you can do it, but if you snag your lines on those sticks when you're putting instead of your kite, you can actually get into trouble because it ties your lines together. Guys, here we go. This is why it's so important to connect your safety line to the right side. There's Mr. Alton. He couldn't really launch the kite, so all he's done is he's pulled this thing and now he's swimming, and the kite is dragging him back towards the shore. Look at that, it flies into the wind. He can swim easily against it. How easy is that? There we go, connecting the lagoon. Oh, it's Dave. Dave, which side does the safety go on, bro?
The side you don't want to go when the kite's into wind.
Yeah, there. So we're connecting it, guys, onto that one, because we don't want to go there. We're going to connect it there. So the new inflation system, guys, you've got this. It either pushes in, which is deflate, or pushes out. When it extends out like that, that's the way you insert it to inflate. Deflate, inflate. Make sure that you push it out and then you put the valve on. Okay, so when you're going, you connect your kite leash to this little line over here. You then take the pump, you're going to blow it. That inserts there and twists in. Make sure that the valve's out, and then we just pump. There we go, guys. 9 psi. You can just take this out. If you actually then seal it, push the valve over, and over there you see it says 9 psi for this kite. Then you're going to clamp your struts. So guys, if you have a look, the wind's actually blowing in that direction. This kite is facing here into the wind, which means that this far wingtip is getting too much wind in it. See how it's catching the wind on the side there? Now stronger winds will make the kite blow away. Make sure that you turn your kite straight into the wind. See how it flaps the kite down like that? Now it's blowing straight into the wind. That's the right way. Don't let the kite fly to the sun. Always put sand in your kite.